All right, so I've got this 80-volt Greenworks pressure washer, and of course I want to justify the purchase any way I can. So I'm looking for reasons to use it. I was at the dump today, and I found one of those Rubbermaid storage things, and I thought, oh, that'd be nice. I got a lot of stuff outside that I need to store, but it's pretty gross. But it's free. So I'm going to take the pressure washer and see how it does cleaning it off. So I figure this will be a pretty good way to showcase whether it works or it doesn't work. So we'll get it all hooked up here and we'll see how well it cleans off this really disgusting, greasy old storage thing. So I can see if it's clean enough for my wife to want to use it. I mean, I can use it to store gross stuff, but I'll see if I can clean it up nice so she can use it to store gardening stuff or something like that. Alright, so this has two modes. There's the eco mode and a regular mode. I haven't used the eco mode yet, but the regular mode is 3000 psi with 2 gallons a minute. I'm going to try this turbo nozzle. That seems to be pretty nice for cleaning stuff off. So we'll give that a shot. Should be on. Now I'm just curious. I'm going to try, I don't know, a different nozzle. 15, 25, let's try 40. Turbo better for sure. Might want to put some soap on that one, but for having used no soap, that's pretty good. Alright, so like I said, not bad considering I didn't even use any soap. And for that, 2 6-amp batteries, and they have 3/4 life left. So
however long that was. We got, what's that? I think it's about 15 minutes, so maybe about an hour if we were just running this thing full blast on 2 batteries for reference. But I'm happy with it. I'll keep running this thing. Sweet. That was a happy trade for sure. Oh, I guess just for reference too, these are Greenworks commercial 82 volt batteries, which do fit in this without having to do any kind of modifying, even though this is the 80 volt pressure washer. So for all you guys that are running Greenworks commercial, it'll run it with the batteries that you have.